you got that. You got that.
Oh, it almost hit us. It's going east on Geneva. Yeah. Cook right now, south on Cook.
Maybe 1080, just so you know.
Yeah.
That's my son.
Oh, gee. It's going to go in north. Madison at Geneva.
Somebody get some stop sticks down this.
Oh, just hold the traffic. We're going around in circles right at this point. We're at Geneva at Cook.
2 officers begin tailing the suspect through the neighborhood. Just moments later, a 3rd patrol unit joins in, backing them up. But something feels off. The suspect isn't trying to escape. Instead, she's just looping the same block, like she's stalling for time or trying to confuse them. It's less of a chase and more like a strange, dangerous merry-go-round.
Sticks right in front of the library. Just gonna keep doing the same thing.
Okay, we're on Geneva again, going back to Cook. So if we can get her boxed in, that would be the greatest plan.
Go, 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 go.
Stop sticks right there. Chief, hold on.
Got him.
Hold on, yep. Oh, 2, we had stop sticks. She hit. Yep.
Got him. Careful, Pete, careful.
Yep.
Careful.
Hey, please! Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Get out of the car right now! Ma'am, get out of the car! You're okay, sweetie. You're okay. Chief, grab the kid. No. Nope. Hey, hold on. Go on.
Get in the car, go. All right, keep on the ground.
I got it.
Crash.
Ray, I'm coming up behind you.
Geneva, I'm pinning.
EMS coming. Okay. There's more kids in there. Hey, Jason, go find Chief. He's got a kid that was in the car. I don't see anybody, Joe, but
Are you injured? Are you injured?
no.
Okay.
Ray, you okay?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yep, I just pinned with our car to stop it. So we'll get there when we're all done, but...
Joe, can you take some pictures, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Man, what's your first name?
Alicia.
Alicia, what's going on today? My name's Katie, okay? Is there anything we could help you out with? Are you okay?
Can you take these handcuffs off?
I can't, unfortunately. What's going on today?
I'm just trying to wake up from a really bad dream.
Okay. Okay.
I'm trying to wake up from a really bad dream, and we're all living in the matrix.
Okay.
I copy. She just told me she's trying to wake up from a bad dream.
I'm not crazy.
Okay, we're not saying
We're
that.
just, no. We're just worried about you.
Yeah.
We're just worried about you, okay? Is there anybody else in the car?
No, you have my daughter.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Seemed like you were just kind of stuck in a loop there. Are you okay?
I'm absolutely fine, sir.
Okay. We're going to take some deep breaths, okay? Where are you from?
Well, I don't actually have a place to stay right now.
Okay.
Can
Can I move you to your butt so then we can chat here?
I would prefer to stay right here.
Perfect. That works for me. What's your name again?
My name is Alicia.
Okay, hi. I'm Ray. Sorry we kind of meet like this. I think your car is pretty damaged here. Just to make sure that we're safe here. I know the passenger or all the airbags deployed, and it looks like you got some your blood on your mouth. Are you injured at all?
No, I'm not.
No? Okay. Do you have like an ID on you or anything in the car here?
My ID is in my vehicle.
Is your vehicle? Is it registered to you too?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I'm not really sorry, though.
No, it's all good. Does this happen a lot?
No, this is the first time for sure.
First time. Okay.
Yeah, maybe it's happened one other time.
One other time. Up in Edgerton or somewhere else?
I'm not really sure because I have PTSD and CPTSD and my memories aren't that great.
Okay. Is there any weapons in the car for my safety here?
I'm not sure.
Not sure? No, like firearms?
I don't have any firearms, no.
Okay. Are you okay?
Hi, my name's Tim. Okay. I'm with the fire department. What happened?
I was driving in a bunch of circles repeatedly, and then I crashed into this vehicle because I was going too fast.
Okay. Any alcohol today?
No, sir.
Any drugs?
Yes, sir.
What drugs did you take today?
Cocaine and ketamine.
Cocaine and ketamine? Okay. Do you know how much?
I really don't, honestly.
Okay. Do you have it on you right now?
Yes, sir, I do.
Where's it at?
It's in my purse in there.
Okay. You okay if we check you out in the ambulance? Make sure you're not hurt?
No, that's all right, I'm good.
Alright, I think we should check you out though.
No, I'm cool.
How about we just take you in the ambulance and check you out? We'll check your vitals, make sure you're all
Nah, I'm good. I need this by a little longer.
Will you stand up if we help you?
Not right now, I just need a second.
Search her.
I have not searched her, no.
I'm gonna have you roll up on your side here, okay? You ready to stand up with me? I'm gonna get you on your butt, okay?
One more second, please.
Can I get you on your butt at least?
No, I just
so
need
your
a
face.
second. Please, I just need 1 second.
Alright, here we go, on your butt. Order on your feet.
Oh, there you go. Yep. Thanks.
Can we have you sit right here? There we go. Swing your feet up on there for us. Excellent. You have any pain right now?
Over the next 5 minutes, Alicia goes through multiple sobriety tests, and while her performance is consistent, it's clear something isn't right. She's then asked to take a breathalyzer test, but she flat out refuses. That refusal says a lot, and none of it is good.
Do you wear prescription?
no, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I figured I'd ask. So I'm going to move my finger from side to side. I want you to focus right here on the tip of my finger, and then don't move your head. Just follow with your eyes. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I think you might be answering.
I'm sorry, I was just overthinking.
That's okay. Do you understand though what I'm saying?
Yes, I can understand the words you're saying, but I can't concentrate right now.
I understand there's probably a lot of stuff going through your mind. Don't move your head. Just follow my finger. Keep going. We're almost done. Alicia, right here. Okay? Right here.
I'm sorry, can I have a moment?
Yeah.
I'm just...
Yeah, tell me.
to...
I'm going to have you stand back up so we can complete the test, unless you don't want to complete the test.
Honestly, I don't...
All you have to do is just do your best, okay?
I'm sorry,
Okay.
could you repeat that?
Just do your best. That's all you have to do, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so where we left off was follow my finger right here. Don't move your head, just your eyes. All right, so the next test is a walking and a balancing test. Just watch me as I explain and demonstrate the test. You understand so far?
Could you repeat that? I didn't
Yeah, just watch me as I show you how to do the test. So watch me as I do.
Can I have just a second?
No,
Again.
we're kind of done with the seconds here, okay? All right, so when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line. You're going to do a turn, and you're going to do 9 heel-to-toe steps back. Go ahead and begin. running out of room here, so I suppose I don't think that you're safe to operate a motor vehicle. Okay, so I do have to put you under arrest for.
And this is what truly breaks your heart. She was intoxicated, clearly unfit to drive, and still tried to run from the police, with her young daughter sitting right beside her. This wasn't panic. This wasn't confusion. It was a conscious decision, reckless, selfish, and terrifying. I've seen far too many cases like this get treated like nothing more than minor traffic violations. But the trauma the child now carries? That doesn't just disappear. Addiction and mental health are real struggles, but so is a child's right to safety. And what about the things we don't see on camera? The pain behind closed doors? She's now facing charges including DUI with a child in the vehicle, drug possession, reckless driving, and child abandonment. The most disturbing part? She was released on bond, and nearly a year later, her case is still dragging through the system. That little girl deserves better. Every child does. Speech Balloon It, Police Insight. We don't just show you the footage, we show you the reality behind it. If you care about real justice and real consequences, hit that follow and stay with us, because stories like these are far from over.